Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is Mark from Mars. Please subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel. First, we are going to our video. This is Mark from Mars. I'm here to tell you that we are discussing about today sources of energy, types of energy, and what is energy. Now, energy is in nature comes from various sources such as sun, water, fuels, wind, and the earth. Here, energy is divided into two types. First one, non-renewable source of energy. Second one, renewable source of energy. The source of energy that cannot be replaced once. They are used up and called non-renewable source of energy. For example, we are using petrol in our bikes. Again, we are getting that petrol? No, right? Yes. It's a non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy. The sources of energy that never run out means they continuously replace naturally are called renewable source of energy. We are using solar energy with the help of solar panels. Means we are getting continuously solar energy from the sun and we are using continuously the solar energy. This is called renewable source of energy. Means which we use continuously is called renewable source of energy. We have discussed about already non-renewable sources of energy and renewable sources of energy, right? Now there are types of energies and what is fuel, how many types of fuels are there. Now we are talking about fuels. Yeah, fuel is a thing, the substance that produces heat and light when burned is called a fuel. There are three types of fuels: solid fuel, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Solid fuels are those fuels that exist in solid state at room temperature. Examples: wood, cattle dung cakes, coal, and agricultural wastes. Now, liquid fuels. These are fuels that exist in liquid state at room temperature. Examples: petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, and fuel oil. Gaseous fuels. These are the fuels that exist in gaseous state at room temperature. Examples are coal gas, natural gas, producer gas, water gas, and biogas. Characteristics of a good fuel. You know that all people that are having some characteristic features, like fuels also have some characteristic features. There are some characteristic features of good fuel following is: first one, low cost; second one, readily available; third one, produces a large quantity of heat; fourth one, easy and safe to store, handle, and transport; fifth one, leaves no residue after being burned; fifth one, produces no poisonous combustion products or environmental pollutants. Now, petroleum. Petroleum is a dark, foul-smelling, viscous liquid. It is a complex mixture of several solid, liquid, and gaseous carbons mixed with water, salt, and earthy particles. The different components of petroleum are separated and used in many ways. Petroleum products are generally used as fuels, like petrol, diesel, and kerosene obtained from petroleum. Now, how was petroleum is formed? Petroleum was formed from the remains of sea plants and animals that died millions of years ago. Where the plants and animals died, they sank to the bottom of the oceans and were soon covered by sand and slit. Over millions of years, enormous pressure, heat, and absence of air helped to transform the remains of plants and animals into crude oil. Thus, petroleum is formed. You know that Dubai has many petrol bunks. Means it is having more petroleum in the Earth's crust because there is now Arab countries are in the oceans over millions of years ago. That's why we have found that petroleum. Okay, guys. Now natural gas. Natural gas is a mixture of methane, ethane, and propane. It contains up to 95% methane. It occurs deep under the crust of the earth. It is obtained by digging wells into the earth crust, where its presence is predicated. It can be easily transported through pipes. Now, uses of natural gas. It burns easily and produces a lot of heat. Therefore, it is used as a fuel for several purposes. It is used as domestic and industrial fuel, as directly supplied to the humans, homes and factories through pipes. Now, renewable sources of energy. We already discussed about the definition. Now, let's go into types. There are some types. First one, hydroenergy. Hydro is water. Energy is the energy obtained from flowing of water. It has kinetic energy. Hydroelectric power plant. It produces electricity from the kinetic energy of flowing water. Flowing water rotates turbines the generator, which in turn produces electric current. Now, advantages of hydroelectric energy. It is a renewable source of energy which will never get exhausted. It does not produce any environmental pollutions. It helps in controlling floods, helps in irrigation by transporting the water through canals up to long distances. Disadvantages. Many plants and trees get destroyed, animals get killed as they get submerged in the reservoir of the water. Many people become homeless because a large area captured for construction of dams. Constructing a dam on the river disturbs the ecological balance. Now, what is wind energy? The movement of air due to uneven heating of land and water bodies by solar radiations is called wind. Wind possesses kinetic energy, which is harmless for useful tasks. Advantages of using wind energy. It is a renewable source of energy which will never get exhausted. It is free of cost source of energy as wind is produced as a result of natural phenomena. It does not cause any type of pollution, so it is an environment friendly source of energy. Now, solar energy. The sun is the ultimate source of energy available on the earth. The energy which we get directly from the sun is called solar energy. The sun is radiating this energy. Solar energy device. A device which gets heated by the sun's energy is called solar heating device. The estimated value of this solar constant is 1.4 kJ, means kilojoule per second per square meter. Solar cooker. It is a solar heating device which is used to cook food by utilizing the heat energy radiated by the sun. The glass sheet covers plays the role of greenhouse. Advantages of solar cooker. The use of solar cooker conserve the precious fossil fuels. It is uses an environmental friendly clean source of energy that do not cause any pollution. Disadvantages. It cannot be used for baking or frying.